Good afternoon. So myself Surya, we are from Sreenidhi University. So today I have taken up a problem of building a consistent biofuel supply chain. As of now in India there is no consistent biofuel supply chain and we use fossil fuels a lot more, which are more imported and expensive. So the factors which are affecting the biofuel supply chain are the raw materials, the transportation and the processing capacity and the market demand. So as of in India, we have the raw material availability, which is from the farmers, the agriculture waste, the bio waste and the animal waste. So what we do of thinking is we take the raw material availability and process it into the processing plant, which converts biofuels, which is faster than the fossil fuels, as fossil fuels take thousands of years to form the fuel. So it's way better and way more cheaper than fossil fuels. So we are trying to implement that we use biofuels more than fossil fuels, and which is safer for the environment and better for the environment. And we can stop health problems like respiratory problems, which are formed by more of fossil fuels, and CFCs, which are the chlorofluorocarbons, which are brought up from vehicles. That's. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.